But the fact is, I scare people pretend as me.
Also that terrify me.
It's about so 50-50.
I can remove the background.
Okay. Okay, I did not expect that.
This is pretty cool. This is AI.
Alright, so these days AI is actually a very hot topic. Some are using it for good, but there's a lot of people who think that people are using it for bad, negative ways. So in today's video, we want to do a very quick social experiment. So we're going to see if people are actually excited about AI or are they actually terrified about it. So we're going to catch a couple of people on the streets and ask a few questions. Let's see how it ends up. Hi bro, do you mind if we do a quick interview? Do you mind to do a quick interview? Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Sure, why not?
Okay.
Okay, so first question. When you hear about AI, is it a good thing or something terrifying?
Good and bad. I can remove the background. But the fact is, I scare people pretend as me.
Or you scared people pretend as you lah?
For me, I think it's like exciting me, but also that terrify me.
For me, it's depend whoever use the AI. For me, it's about so 50-50. It can be good and it can be bad.
I find it very useful because I use it almost all the time now.
Excited about the AI. Currently, AI actually can help us out in our daily life and then to help us to solve a lot of things.
Is there anything on your mind, like a regret that you have in the past that you want to share with us so that we can try and generate something cool?
Okay, now that I think about it, yeah, there was a time when I went to Kelantan, so I took pictures of my friends and all, but unfortunately I didn't bring my tripod, so I cannot get more pictures of me in the story.
My kids are still young, still small, which is younger than right now. And then things that I regret that I don't have much time to spend with my daughters.
Okay.
When I think it's like standard 6
Okay.
primary school, I miss out my graduation date. I get a heavy fever. I wish that I can stand it with my friends and all.
Maybe I want to see myself when I was kid or my past. I feel so lonely and I feel like everyone don't want to be friends with me. Now when I was already big enough, I can talk with everyone. I have confidence with myself to talk.
I wish my grandma attend my wedding because she passed away before my wedding.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. How the AI going to make this happen?
Okay, so maybe we can use AI to try and get this out. Let me try it on this phone, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so I've generated an image on the Honor 600. I want to show it to you to see what you think about it.
Okay. Okay, I did not expect that. That is very cool. That's very realistic. Okay, that is good. That is good.
So this is the first video that we generated.
Congratulations!
Wow, really
We're
neat.
all so proud
I
of
think
you.
this one like quite real for me. I don't remember my 20 years ago face, but wow, can get me back to the graduation date. It's quite impressed me.
Not bad, ah?
Not bad.
Wow, it looks not bad actually. It looks so real actually inside the with me and my daughters, you know. Yeah, it quite surprised me actually, you know.
Show her and see. 这个是你吗？
这个是你，哇，你看你
这个是你吗？你在哪里？
是
这是谁？
爹地，
这是谁？
我。
Oh, that's me?
Yes, that's you hugging your younger self.
Okay.
And
This is pretty cool. This is AI.
second video.
Wow, this one nice. This one looks like my grandma.
Final one.
Wow, I like this one.
This one nice, ah?
This one nice, this one nice. Hey, share to me, thank you.
So, the argument for AI is honestly never ending. Some people think of it as a tool, whilst others think it's taking over. However, it really depends on how you use it. AI is not a time machine. It can't bring our loved ones back. It can't give a parent one more day with their child, and it certainly cannot magically put a photographer back in moments they've missed. But AI can be used to unlock a sealed heart. Not to change the past, but to give you a moment you never had, a goodbye you never said, or a memory you wish you could relive. So, welcome to the era of AI defined by you.